Okay, this is going to be a very fast rundown. Just got the artwork back for the signage on this, so hopefully that'll be done this weekend. Moving on to this, we get mounts in because when we fitted this, it's too low, too close to the tank. That's the main reason, so we're going to get 2-inch mounts, which have arrived, and we're going to put them in there. Right, bodywork hasn't been attacked here yet, or here yet. This is partially filled, and you can see that I did steel here, steel there, because it's rotted on that side as well. Nice bit of work there. Coming around here, still have to put the radiator back in, still have to put a piece of steel work in there to take the radiator. As you can see, there's the old shells for the lighting, new shells for the lighting went in. This lighting works, we'll probably change it to LED anyway because there's a Land Rover equivalent that looks pretty good. That corner's, well, done, ready for sanding, that corner's done, ready for more filling. Step, we ran out of fiberglassing materials on the step, so have to get some more of that. That's done, that's done, that's done, has to be sanded, that's done, has to be sanded, obviously filled and sanded again. So, under here, which is about what we're going to be doing today, vacuum tank is gone, and we will be continuing the war black, well, dark green paint. Down here, I want to get painted up there so the new vacuum tank can go in. There's the backing plates for the repair work on the step. And there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a lot of steel work being put in at the back, just held in with fiberglass at the moment so far. And we'll build that up, and then we'll give it all a quick spray. So target today, wash, clean, degrease, spray, ready for tank to go in. And obviously, just while we're in there with the paint, we'll paint everything. And that's it. Oh, yeah. We've still got the wipers to do. The wiper motor came, it's slightly different as usual than the original, because everything is. And the wipers, the arms, as you can see, are not here. They're seized beyond belief. We've got one freed up, one not. Still thinking of ideas for that. We might have to get something, we have to get another set of wipers off of someone else and, you know, make it fit.